Fits golf shoes with fast twist, Tour-Lok, Slim-Lok, and Tri-Lok systems. Use the Cleat reference guide to find which insert style you need. Includes 18 silver tornado cleats, ripper wrench, and a 2-prong insertion wrench. Long-lasting durability. Counter-rotational design that provides the best level for balance and stability. Green-friendly. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement for golf spikes, tool is a must. I bought these to replace the soft spikes on my Nike golf shoes. The design of these is better than the original one supplied by Nike, even though they use the same locking system to install. I will tell you the install tool is a necessity. I first tried to uninstall my old spikes and install the new ones with a tool I already had which I thought would walk better, and it did not work well. The supplied tool worked great and is a must to replace spikes. I would not recommend buying new spikes without having it.